I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. Adding a debit card to your Klarna wallet is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your wallet settings. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once you're in the app, look for the Wallet option in the bottom menu. Tap on it to enter your wallet settings. Step 3. Select Add Payment Method. In the Wallet section, find and select the Add Payment Method button. This will allow you to input your debit card details. Step 4. Enter your debit card information. Fill in your debit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double check for any typos, as a small mistake can prevent the card from being added. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, tap on the Save or Confirm button to finalize the addition of your debit card. You should see a confirmation message once it is successful. If you encounter any issues, make sure your card is not expired and that you are connected to the internet. Happy shopping with Klarna!